Welcome back to the Jemmy official channel, which is still discussing content about health. This time we will discuss healthy food. Stay healthy and happy always. Five recipes for delicious and healthy avocado food and drinks. Avocados are one of the most popular fruits, not only in the world. Besides being delicious, it turns out that this fruit is also rich in nutrients that are good for maintaining a healthy body, such as protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B1, nutrients, and antioxidants. Given its high nutritional content, it is highly recommended for those of you who are on a diet program or not to diligently consume avocados. You can eat avocados by eating them directly, without any additions, or processing them into various foods, such as juices, salads and many others. If you want to make it yourself at home, you can try it without worrying about difficulties, because basically the recipe is very easy for you to follow. Here is complete information on 5 healthy food and drink recipes from avocado, delicious and easy to make.
Food or drink avocado number 1. Delicious avocado nuggets. Ingredients: 1 large half-ripe avocado, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg, white only, 150 grams bread flour, 1/4 tablespoon salt, How to make. Peel the avocado, cut into about 2 x 2 cm. Spread with flour until smooth. Then 1 by 1 coat with egg white until smooth. Coat with breadcrumbs. Then put in the freezer for 15 minutes. Fry in hot oil, medium heat. Serve with mayonnaise or any sauce. Like chili sauce, or tomato sauce, or Thai sauce. Ready to be served. Food or drink avocado number 2. Avocado healthy juice. Ingredients: 2 avocado butters, dredge the flesh, 1 sachet of sweetened condensed milk, 100 milliliters instant coconut milk, 65 grams coconut milk plus water. 50 grams whipping cream, 100 milliliters of cold milk, 50 grams whipping cream powder plus 100 milliliters cold milk. Mixer in blender for 3 minutes. How to make. Avocado blender. Sweeten condensed milk and coconut milk until soft. Pour in a glass or cup. Spray whipping cream. Pour in the avocado juice again. Make avocado slices and serve as a topping. Ready to be served. Food or drink avocado number 3. Healthy avocado and egg toast. Ingredients: 2 pieces of white bread, 2 eggs, 1/4 avocado, 1/4 cup grated cheddar cheese, How to make. Thinly slice avocado. Grease bread with butter. Make a hole in the center of the loaf to fit the egg. Place the bread on a non-stick skillet.
Place the egg in the center of the bread.
Place the avocado around the egg.
Sprinkle salt and pepper.
Turn on the stove and bake the bread. Come back slowly. When the eggs are cooked enough, sprinkle cheese. Ready to be served. Food or drink avocado number 4. Healthy avocado pudding. Ingredients: 2 avocados, 10 biscuits, crush the sample fine, 1 pack of plain jelly, 4 tablespoons liquid margarine, 2 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 sachet milk powder, sachet of white sweetened condensed milk, 600 milliliters water. How to make. Mash or crush the biscuits until smooth. Then mix with melted margarine. Place in a removable pan. While compacting so that it is even, put it in the freezer. While waiting for the dough of breadcrumbs to harden, we cook water that has been mixed with milk and white gelatin. Cook until boiling, set aside. Prepare a blender. Add avocado, margarine, sugar, sweeten condensed milk. Blend until smooth, then add the mixture to the blender for a while. Taste test. If it's not sweet enough, you can add sugar, just a little, not too much. Transfer the dough from the blender into a baking dish filled with breadcrumbs. Flatten and desired in the freezer. Approximately 4 hours. Ready to be served. Food or drink avocado number 5. Healthy whole wheat bread avocado. Ingredients: white bread, better use wheat bread. Enough lettuce. Filling ingredients: 1 avocado. Take the contents, mash with a fork. 1 hard-boiled egg, cut into pieces. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons thick yogurt plan, or light mayonnaise. Sufficient black pepper. Sufficient salt. Prepare all the ingredients. How to make. Start mixing the filling ingredients. Mashed avocado, mayo, boiled eggs, lemon water, a little salt and pepper. Mix well. Grease bread with butter. Then bake. Grease the toasted bread with the stuffing. Then close. Ready to be served.